Trap so old, gotta run out the house when I play my music so the roof don't fall on me.
Ow. Can you help me push this out? I'm hurting. I don't know what's drawing all the battery out of here. Oh, my back.
I'll pull it with the truck.
Watch how fast this bitch jumps, I hope.
GB40. Good bones.
Good bones 40. Alright. Woo!
Huh? Smell like a boat.
Oh my god. I'm all fucked up. I'm all fucked up and shit. All on me.
Whoa. He can't see. Bro acting like this shit manual. Bro acting like this shit manual.
What up? What happened? Nothing. I'm gonna try to clear this O2 sensor code, and because that's the only. I usually clear it, but I didn't, and then it started doing this. I don't know why it would have developed a parasitic draw. This bitch got parasites. Watch this.
Whoa!
Ah, me.
Whoa! Hey!
Sorry, there's a bug on me. Let me get this bitch out. It runs, but just not good at turning on. Whoa, too fast.
Run third person.
What the hell? Where's my little thing I was using? Oh.
No.
What should I use?
Disco ball. Fortnite boogie bomb sound.
I guess we'll just use this.
Whoa. Whoa. Whew. Oh.
I think I got my swagger back. I don't know where my wheel chocks went. I've lost them over the years. I'm in immense pain right now. It's like I'm going through labor.
Do you want me I'd jack it up.
If you want. Oh, here.
Why are you doing it from the... Oh.
Because they don't reach nowhere else.
Jeez.
Nissan was smart though. They gave us 4 jacking points. They knew Hot Boys were going to...
Hottest boy I know.
It's knocking.
Nom, nom, nom.
Alright, so what sucks about this is because it's so low.
What?
Wow.
What?
I gotta use a piece of wood under the wheels so that I can get the jack in there enough to actually. Hold on. I'll just do it. Fuck, I gotta talk and just do it. No! Alright, putting this thing down.
Why don't you just leave it jacked from there?
We won't be able to get it high enough for you to stand under it.
We're standing under it?
To get a jack stand under it.
Oh.
We gotta get this bitch up here. Me when I gotta work on my JDM car. Dude, look at the camber work on the outside. Yikes.
On my knees every day.
Is the manifold no longer working? Oh, it's not doing
Not
anything.
even touching.
Alright, we don't have to take the wheels off
What?
to get to the camera arms.
Bro, we are taking the wheels off.
Nah, because then we just got to keep putting them back on. Damn it, look at how low it is.
Damn.
Oh god, we get delirious. The wallet don't even slide under.
No, bro, we have to take the wheels off. Are you serious? That's gonna be so much more difficult. Damn. Oh my god.
Put one of those funny, like, Russian TikTok songs in. Put kerosene in. Thanks. Oh. Take the wheel off if you want.
Gotta take the wheel off. I'll take the wheel off.
So look how easy it is to access it from the back. Because we're just gonna have to keep taking it off and putting it on to dial the fitment. No, it's very easily accessible.
This motherfucker is stupid.
I don't know if I'll have all the wrenches.
It's not, we're not turning the wrench. We have to unscrew it and move it out.
All the way?
Yes. Have you never done camber arms before?
No, I thought it was just like tie rod.
No, it's not like that.
You gotta take it all the way off?
Yeah.
I mean, maybe to like do like a crazy adjustment.
Bro, this shit, it's like an inch poke. Look at that poke. Here, we'll do this. If you want to do that side with the wheel on, I'm taking the wheel off.
There you go, take that.
All right. Oh my gosh, this I've been recording for 8 minutes. Ooh, blech.
I do have.
Oh, money bands. Ew. Ew, who is that? Who is he? Oh. Oh.
Yeah. Brian had an impact in too long. Look at that, the wheel ain't even moving. That one was not tight. Oops.
Oops.
My lips!
This motherfucker on Megan.
Hey, you don't know her like I do. Oh, sorry. It's probably gonna be adjustable wrench mission. So we need to twist both of these to the right, that's it? Or like we would unlock the first one.
To me, it looks like, I mean, I'll try it anyway, but I feel like we're gonna have to take this bolt off, the adjustable bolt,
Yeah, and then
twist it and then put it back in. But I'll try the your way first, because if it is like that, then that's easier. Well,
I thought that was your voice. Oh wait, I'm not looking at the same arm. What are you looking at? This guy?
dude, bro don't got the wheel off.
Nah, I'm keeping it on. They don't take the wheel off to do an alignment. Yeah, this is toe in and this is toe out.
That one's gonna have to be adjusted.
So we can mess with both of them, but I think we'll be able to get away with it. We'll at least see if we can adjust the camber enough.
All right, cut back when progress has been made.
All right, so we're currently hot boy. Hopefully the passenger side is not seized and like doesn't break, because then this will be really stupid.
Oh, okay, there we go.
All right, so this is how it works. You thread it into.
Fucking, we have no idea what
You thread.
What do you mean
These
this is how it
threads
works?
go into the actual upper control arm.
Oh, now we
And that adds more camber.
more steez.
Yeah, more steez. Don't look at this car. Is super immaculate.
It's not bad.
It's not terrible now. I mean, there's some spots that are a little like.
Oh yeah, it's an old Nissan.
But yeah, it could be a lot worse. All right.
I found my rhythm. Oh, well, never mind. There she
The
blows. There she blows.
Oh no! All right, let's test for this wheel.
All right.
Jeez.
Without the spacer.
I don't know if you guys can see that. That's a lot of camber.
Oh.
Ow. Jeez, man.
Sorry, dude.
Never done this before. It's definitely more
Wow,
camber.
look at that, dude. There's no poke.
I think that might, when we put that down, it might fit.
They may just flushed it up real good.
Yeah, that might be perfect.
This is a cool view though.
Oh, ew. Nice. Hella hot boyness. Hella hot boys at my house. Just putting my lug nuts on my car. I love it.
Hella, hella. What do you mean?
Just one, singular.
I
Wish it was torque.
All right.
I'm on a dolly.
Let's do the other side.
All right, roll me over there. Ow. Come on. Oh, Jesus. Come on, gang. I'm crazy.
I'm taking the wheel.
I'm gonna do it with my feet. Welded diff. Oh.
Put a timer, bro.
All right, one.
Editor. Fuck. Oh,
You messed
I
up.
messed up.
You second guessed yourself.
Well, editor, don't put a timer in.
Jesus, man. I give you an F.
Joke is, I'm the editor.
For funny. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, just throw those on the lips. Throw those on the barrels. Those things are so fat.
They are ginormous.
Wiggle.
It's like pull. It's like
Yeah. Oh, dusty. Don't make fun of me for my Megan racing, guys. Hello. This is our school project.
Me?
I might need to go
The other way?
this way.
Let's see how he does this.
Trap souls. Gotta run out the house.
Dude, can't flash forward to when Brody has a skyline.
Not yet. Spray in there.
Oh, yeah, that's smart. Just what we didn't want to happen.
You freaking jinxed it.
And he's done it. Oh.
Damn, that thing is low. But I mean, they fit in.
Oh, it looks so broken on this side. This is a little bit of toe in.
It looks good though. Initial thoughts.
How the hell? Looks good. Spacer might, the 3 mil might not be terrible.
Well, then we can put it back on.
You want to take a break and do you need some water or something?
Do you want to take a break?
Yeah, I've been working hard.
You ain't doing nothing. No, I don't need a break. I'm ready to go. We're adjusting toe.
Oh, the tow truck.
Toe looks silly.
Stop playing with me. What the hell is happening? Wow. Yeah!
Guys, I'm literally fitment god.
What the hell? A little more. A little more. That should be good. Fuck. What are we stuck on?
Woo! Damn, hot boy.
Hot boy.
Yeah, good work today, Abe.
Thanks, Brody. You too. I need you to do a little better next time. Pull your weight some more. One day I won't be here to help you.
Damn, you got it?
No chances.
Oh my god.
With the wood, it looks way crazy. How does it feel?
I think it's just because there's no noise canceling.
Might be a little low.
Why is that?
It's mystery noise. This bitch is too low.
That is not good.
We're about to hit the main road.
Slide this.
Ooh. I think the engine is necessary for this exhaust setup. Please make it. This bitch looks so cool though, I bet. Does it look cool? Does it look cool? Yeah. I'm afraid to go faster.
We got a Camaro behind us. Dude, whatever that is,
I don't know what that is. It's super annoying.
that needs to not do that anymore.
Alright, let's scrape a little bit.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Something just let go.
Oh my
Nobody
God.
more angry than the guy who couldn't afford the V8.
Sunset and random ass grocery parking lot.
I am ruining this car.
Dude, no lie.
Yeah. It sounds so broken. It's awesome. What the fuck was that? We'll let the
Guys, look at all the transmission fluid.
Shit. Dude, stop filming. Oh no, dude. There's like a slight bump in the road.
Do not do that. Good news is that shit look hard.
Yeah! I'm so afraid of bumps in the road.
It's doing pretty good.
Yeah, this.
Oh, never mind.
Had to be exhaust, right? Right. As long as the gas tank doesn't function, we're good.
Still going.
Yep. Hell yeah, this is so steezy.
Bro just took off like $1,000 worth of this car.
I didn't even have that much to go. What are we watching? What the fuck, bro? I don't know what that was.
Get her in there. Back home, never to be driven ever again.
Shake that ass for Drake. Shake that ass for me. You know the fucking vibes.